Yes, student. Now we can learn the superset. If every element of set A is the member of element of set B, but set B has more element than set A, then set B is a superset of set A. For example, set A has 1, 2, 3, 4 element, and set B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element. 1 is belongs to set B and also set A, 2 is belongs to set A, also set B, 3 is belongs to set A and also set B, 4 is belongs to set A and also set B. But element 5 and 6 are more in set B. Then we can say that set B is a superset of set A, or set B is the improper, or the set B is a superset of improper superset of set A. Students, how to find the all possible of sets of a given set? If we have some set and we want to find the subset of given set, I want to tell you some example. If set A has one element, that is 1, the formula to find the subset, that is 2 raised the power n. N mean number of element of a set. In set A there is only one element, so 2 raised the power n mean 2 raised the power 1, which is equal to 2 raised the power 1 is equal to 2 subset. As I explain you, every set has null set, that is the subset of every set. Null set is the subset of every set, and second rule I told you, every set is a subset of itself. Here 2 possible subsets are be there for set A. That is, first is an empty set and second is the itself. This set, empty set, is the proper subset and set B is the improper subset. You should clear. With the second example you can see that if set B has 2 elements, 1 and 2, according to formula 2 raised the power n, 2 elements, 2 raised the power 2, number of elements are 2, 2 into 2, that is 4 subset. All possible subset we have to write down. Firstly, empty set, then 1, then 2, then 1, 2. This is, all 3 are the proper subset of set B, and this 1 and 2, this set is itself. This is the improper subset. And third example I can give you, C. Element of set C are 1, 2, 3. 2 raised the power n, that is the formula. 2 raised the power 3. 3 is the number of element, 1, 2, 3 elements. 2 raised the power 3 means 2 raised the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 subset. We have to write down the 8 subset of set C. Just see how to find. First, the empty set. Every empty set is a subset of itself. This is the rule. So you can write empty set, then 1, comma, then 2, comma, then 3, comma. All 1, 2, 3 separately we have to write down single. Then 1 with 2, 1 with 3, again 1 with 2, 1 with 3. Then 2, 3. Just see, if you blank here, 3, that is 1, 2, if you blank, 1, 3, if you blank, 2, 3, open it, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7s are the proper subset, and this 8th one is the improper subset. I hope you practice it and you learn it. If you practice twice, thrice, then it is possible you can practice it, then it is possible that it is better for you in study. You can use in mathematics. Thank you.